If you like this video, click on that subscribe button and be notified of more great ideas. I've been using these Rubbermaid bins to carry the firewood from my wood shed into the house for my fireplace. And I found that after about a year, they tend to crack at the corners. And the reason for that is when you pick one of these bins up and hold it against you, it pushes the side in like this. And I don't know if you can see that crack. We'll get the camera over here a little closer and you can take a look. But that cracks. So you're looking at that crack now, and the farther you push that, the more it cracks. So we've come up with a solution, and I think it's going to work just great. We'll have a look at that. Here's a box that I've repaired. What I used to do this is some deck railing spindles. Now this measures, it's square, and it measures 374 thousandths in both directions. And I put this in my mill and I sliced it off right here and then again down here, which left me with a channel. And that channel fits so nice that you don't have to screw it on or anything. You just take a rubber mallet and give it a couple of whacks and there it is. And to see the difference here, if we turn this sideways and put pressure on this from both sides, the left side is going to bend way more than the right side. If I always pick it up this way and hold it against me this way, I should be good. Now here's how I had that mounted in the mill. We have here a saw cutter, or parting cutter, some people might call it, used on the lathe or the mill. It's about 60 thou thick, and we just cut underneath here, and we've already done that side, as you can see. And when that is finished, this falls out and you have a piece of channel left.